Welcome to the Now Foods Culinary Innovation Center. My name is Chef Suzy Singh, and I'm the Research and Development Corporate Chef here at Now Foods. Today we will be creating a savory, gluten-free potato leek pancake with a lemon thyme gravy. They're great for breakfast or brunch and make a delicious side dish, perfect for the whole family to enjoy. So let's get started. So I've lightly oiled the pan with our Ellyndale Organics Coconut Infusions non-dairy butter-flavored coconut oil. This oil is fantastic because it's a true one-to-one vegan replacement for butter. Now we're going to add in our sliced leeks with just a touch of salt. We're going to let this go for about 2 minutes or until the leeks are translucent. We've let the leeks cool for 5 minutes, and now it's time to make the pancake batter. First, we're going to combine our Living Now gluten-free baking and pancake mix with our Sugarless Sugar, which is a true one-to-one replacement for sugar, but with a low glycemic index and 1/3 the calories. Now let's add in our shredded potatoes. We're also going to add in our cooled leeks. We're also going to add in whisked egg, rice milk, which is a wonderful dairy replacement, our Ellyndale Organics vanilla extract, as well as our melted coconut oil. Since there's already baking soda and baking powder in our Living Now gluten-free baking and pancake mix, we don't have to add the additional baking soda to leaven our pancakes. Once we've whisked the batter, we can go to the stove. Let's pour a 1/4 cup of batter into a greased pan, and we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes on side 1, flip and cook for an additional 4 minutes on side 2 or until the pancakes have browned. Now we're going to serve this with our gluten-free, allergy-friendly gravy. In a pan on medium heat, we're going to add in our Ellyndale Organics canola oil. This oil has a really high smoke point and also has some mild fruity flavor. We're going to combine this with our Living Now gluten-free all-purpose flour. And what we're trying to do here is we're going to create a roux. We're going to whisk this until the flour has cooked for about 2 minutes. Okay, now that the flour has cooked, we're going to add in our vegetable stock, fresh lemon juice, some thyme, and black pepper to give it a little bit more dimension. We'll let the gravy come up to a boil and reduce the heat to medium-low and cook for an additional 5 minutes. Looks like these pancakes are ready to flip. Beautiful, nice and golden brown. We're going to let this go for an additional 4 minutes or until it's browned on side 2. Let's pour the savory gravy over these hearty gluten-free pancakes. The combination of the lemon with thyme, potatoes, and leeks makes this dish a delicious breakfast for any household. Thank you for visiting us here at the Now Foods Culinary Innovation Center. For these recipes and more, please visit our website at nowfoods.com. I hope we've inspired you to create food that loves you back.